Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn work, energy, and power together, step by step. Work in physics has a precise meaning. It's force times the distance moved in the direction of that force, measured in joules. Doing work on an object transfers energy to it. Kinetic energy, the energy of motion, equals 1/2 mass times velocity squared. So when you push something and it speeds up, the work you do becomes the object's kinetic energy. Energy can also be stored. Gravitational potential energy equals mass times gravity times height. The great principle of physics is conservation. Energy is never created or destroyed, only changed from one form to another. Lift a ball and you store potential energy. Let it fall, and that potential energy converts into kinetic energy. The total stays the same throughout. Drop a 2-kilogram ball from a height of 5 meters. Its potential energy at the top is mass times gravity times height, 2 times 9.8 times 5, which is 98 joules. As it falls, that potential energy converts into kinetic energy. Just before hitting the ground, with no air resistance, all 98 joules have become kinetic energy. Power tells us how fast work is done. Work divided by time, measured in watts. 2 motors each do 600 joules of work. Motor A finishes in 2 seconds, giving 300 watts. Motor B takes 6 seconds, only 100 watts. They transfer the same energy, but motor A delivers it 3 times faster, so it's the more powerful machine. Let's recap. Work is force times distance and transfers energy. Kinetic energy depends on speed, potential energy on height. The conservation principle ties it all together. Energy shifts between forms but never vanishes. Power tells you how quickly that energy moves. These ideas explain everything from roller coasters to power plants. Excellent effort today. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.